Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this lovely arrow Dutch braid. To begin the hair, I have used some detangler spray just to wet down the edges and the flyaway pieces, and I'm sectioning it into a small ponytail just at the top of her head. I'm parting directly down the centre of her hair and sectioning off one part. I've split a small piece of hair into three, and I'm going to take the left side under the middle, the right side under the middle. This time I'm going to add a new piece of hair to that small piece of hair on the right, combine them together, take them under the middle, and then I'm going to add a new piece of hair, and I'm also going to add another piece of hair from the small ponytail, combine them all together and take them under the middle. Going back to the left side, add another small piece of hair, combine them together, take it under the middle, get another piece of hair, and then another piece of hair from the small ponytail, take all three of those pieces under the middle, go back to the left hand side, add another piece of hair, combine it and take them both under the middle, get another piece of hair and a little piece of the ponytail, and take all three of those pieces, combine them and take them under the middle. Go back to the left hand side, take a small piece of hair, combine it and take them both under, and then take the remainder of the hair and that little piece of ponytail and take that all the way under that middle piece of hair, and then braid all the way down to the end of the hair by going left under middle, right under middle, left under middle, right under middle, until you get to the end. And then you're just going to clip it off with a clamp ready for later, so it's easy to get hold of. Okay, so now we're going to just pancake it slightly, just teasing on the edges of that braid just to make it appear a little bit more full. And then we're going to do the same steps on the opposite side. Okay, so now we have two braids. We're going to combine these two braids together. So taking that clamp away and just loosening off that braid, you're going to put one braid below the other braid, and then you're going to get the two left pieces, the two right pieces, and the two pieces in the middle and combine them together. So you're then left with just three pieces of hair. So you're going to take the two braids and you're going to work with them as one braid now by going left under the middle, right under the middle, all the way to the bottom, and then you're going to tie it off with an elastic. Okay, so I like to just go back through this braid now and just tease out those edges, just make it look a lot more full. And there we have it. Really cute, simple style for school. Takes 5 minutes and it looks really, really pretty. Something a little bit different and a nice way to wear your Dutch braids. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you give it a go. We are on Facebook and Instagram, and here are our addresses. We'll put the links in the description box below. And if you're interested, here are some other of our videos that you might like to have a look at. Okay, till next time then. Thank you. Bye.